The Fireye 45uvfs1, which is part of the Fireye 1000 family of flame control products, is a flame sensor used in a variety of burners in the industrial world. This sensor came to ERD dead, and we were able to rebuild and repair and then attach it to ERD's Fireye test rack, as shown in the video. This sensor can read much higher flames than a lighter, but since it was dead, this test clearly proved the sensor was working, and the readings were what a standard lighter flame would produce on this system. ERD has a long track record of burner and flame control repairs, and we have all the needed test systems for the most popular types on the marketplace. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.